If you're looking for a career in finance, this is the right video for you. Friends, my name is Vivek Bajaj. I'm a chartered accountant, MBA from IIM Indore, and I own a company which is into financial market for almost 15 years. I've been a finance professional for a long time now, and all I can say is that people who are looking to build a career in finance, this is the right time. This is the greatest opportunity you guys have to participate in this lovely industry called financial market of India. Because of financial inclusion, because of inflow of lot of formal financial instruments in India, there is a plethora of opportunity for every one of us to grab, and especially the youngsters who want to build some kind of a career in finance as a subject. Now, traditionally, we have seen financial market courses or finance courses like Chartered Accountancy, MBA in Finance, CFA, FRM. They have done incredibly good work in building a pool of professionals in the market. But the major problem with these qualifications is they are quite theoretical in nature. Now, because theory is their most critical part of the offering, they ought to be theoretical, because at the end of the day, your theory and the concept building has to be extremely strong. But after passing the exam, when someone goes to the industry, the problem is that there is a lag between theory and the practical world. Now, what we have been doing as a financial market education institute since 2008 is make youngsters prepared to get inside the industry. How we do that? We have our own modules, and each module is trying to give enough practical orientation to all of you so that you become industry ready and not just qualified from the market. Now, I have a program which I want to talk to you about, and I call it Guru of All Financial Market Program, and this program is called CRTA, stands for Certificate in Research, Trading and Advisory. This program I've been nurturing since 2008. It started as a 1-month program with a specific module, but now it has transformed into an 8-month program with a complete comprehensive understanding of financial market, and the program is certified by none other than the National Stock Exchange, which is the supreme authority of financial market in India. What is the beauty of this program? As I said, it's a comprehensive program. It has 9 modules, and each module is hand-holded by an expert of that module, so that at the end of 9 modules, you have understanding of each and every aspects of financial market. We start with beginners finance. We assume that no one knows anything. Even if you are an expert, we believe that you don't know anything. So first 2 months, we focus on building the block for all of you. That's the beginners finance module, where we cover everything which you need to know about finance, right from reading newspaper, financial dailies, to complex understanding of financial market websites. Also, we cover a lot of practical examples, a lot of case studies, which will make you understand that what is an IPO, for example, what is an IPO and how the IPO process is happening with the current IPO which is active in the market. And we have deeply integrated the learning with practical data of the market, so that it is a perfect mix of theory and the practical for all of you who want to kickstart your process of learning the financial markets. After first module, you immediately get into specialized modules where you get deep into each and every aspect which has been touched into the first module, where you know about wealth management, financial planning, equity research, technical analysis, commodity, currency, options trading, pretty much everything which a youngster would need to understand the application of financial market in the real world. Now, why I will suggest all of you to join this program is that A, it's a great resume builder because it gives you a certification from a great authority. B, it's a fantastic knowledge builder where you get a practical understanding of the subject. So even if you are planning to do a CA or a CFA or FRM or MBA finance, this is a perfect foundation program which will give you an edge over other candidates who are appearing for similar kind of an exam, and your employability anyways will go up because you have the qualification edge. At the same time, you are carrying the knowledge edge yourself. We have seen many participants. We have trained almost more than 10,000 people in our offline center, and Elon Markets has phenomenal online fan followings. So many students have connected with us, and we have seen their personality getting transformed because knowledge of stock market actually makes you much more smarter and much better human being as far as commercial world is concerned. So this is the perfect course which all of you should join and kickstart your learning of financial market in this real world. CRTA program is available online in our platform earnmarkets.com. So you can actually sit at home or in your office or whatever you are doing, watch the classes online on your desktop or on your mobile. We already have a mobile app also for Elon Markets, and appear for the exam, both internal exam which is at your leisure, and also you can appear for the exam which is at the NSE center. They have more than 150 centers all over the country, and you become certified by none other than the National Stock Exchange. So offline center, we have it in Calcutta, so people who are in Calcutta more than willing to join us, because offline give you a different level of experience. But we do have online program which is live program, as well as we provide a lot of value additions in that live program, which is like we are connected with through WhatsApp groups. We are available for real-time learning. We provide you forum where you can ask questions, and most important thing for us is that you have access to the core faculty who is willing to give the best to you so that you complete the objective of learning which you instigated with us. Thank you.